Kung ang statement of the problem is the heart of research and result and discussion is the meat of research, ano naman ang blueprint of research? Yan ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. Ang blueprint of research is the research design. Kasi dito nakalagay ang method na ginamit, the sampling technique, at dito din nakalagay ang procedures, paano mo ginawa yung research, and data collection procedure, paano mo kinolect yung data, instrument you used, yung data analysis, anong gagamitin na tools. Tulad ng architect sa paggawa ng building, ganun din sa research. Meron tayong plano. Itong research design na ito ay ine-ensure niya yung research objective na dapat ay ma-meet.